Oh boys. Oh boy. I just chugged an entire bang.
They don't like it when I talk loud. Pull up to the party and I got that loud. Told that nigga that I'm getting up some racks. On my honey's blue, yeah, that's a fact. Young them fly like Peter Pan. I think Alice was a name.
It's about to go down.
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun.
We're good? We're good? We're good. It's about to snow like a lot anyway, so this is probably gonna be my last video for a little bit that at least I can make. But I have a couple things in the safe for you guys, so we'll be alright for a little bit. Let's go. It's not even kicked in. SpongeBob, hey, I guess she really likes pineapples. I mean, look at what I see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pineapples. That's a lot. I don't even think that's necessary, to be honest. The license plate was good, but do you, boo? What's up, man? Oh, the leg's shaking, guys. The leg is shaking. What are you doing? Thanks for the turn signal. I should probably fix that over the winter. Oh, Tommy! He earned a spot in my heart. Ooh, what's that? Really, what is that? I don't know.
Holy! He didn't say it was gonna be this cold. I'm telling you, it'll feel like it's sub-zero.
Today we're looking at like a high of 55 right now. Grounds are kind of cold, but it rained last night. It dried up a little bit, so I gotta be careful. But we're gonna send it still. Ah! I am ready. Boy, I'm so glad. Oh, she didn't even look at me. Word. Highway's wet? What? Come on. Why are you wet? Oh, okay. Never mind.
I think Alice was a name. Yeah, I'm stuck in Wonderland. Where she going down that pole? Got a nigga going froze. Going froze.
I don't like cars that I can't see through. Why do you? I don't get why cars. What are you doing? Why are you looking at me? Why are you holding the wheel so tight, man? Relax, relax. It's okay. Everything's okay. I want to touch it. 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 I got it.
On my honey's blue, yeah, that's a fact. Young them fly like Peter Pan. I think Alice was a name. Yeah, I'm stuck in Wonderland. Yeah, I'm stuck in Wonderland. Where she going down that pool? Got a nigga going froze. Going froze. Young them fly like Peter Pan. I think Alice was a name. Yeah, I'm stuck in
I touched it, guys. Ew. Aw. I didn't know it was like concrete. I know everyone in here has seen Nemo, so you remember? Don't touch the butt, don't touch the butt. I touched it. That's personally how I like to live my lifestyle. I like to make smart decisions most of the time, but I like to be optimistic. My helmet's so loud. Oh my gosh. I love the new helmet, but I can hear every piece of wind that's going by me. Excuse me. Thanks. Ooh, M3. Thank you, man. Huh? R6, yeah. Dude, I love these so much. Yo, let me get a fist bump. Hey.
That was legitness.
Have a good day. Do a wheelie. Do a wheelie. You do a wheelie. You do it. No? I wonder if I can get my shield open, but I can't. I got it. All right, good. We're still recording. Is my battery almost dead? No, we're good. I can feel the bang kicking in. Oh my gosh, I'm so jittery. Come on, light. Let's go. Do I need gas? No, I don't. I just filled up on gas and I'm gonna ask myself if I need gas. Good brain. Sometimes I think I need to calm down on like brain activity. Sometimes my common sense is not there. Like not there at all. I know someone else can relate. Like I'm smart, but like it's only on certain things. Other things, like I do the dumbest stuff and I look at myself and I'm like, Cam, what? Like why? Like what did you just Shut up, Cam. I like good people. You guys should not surround yourself with negative energies. Don't keep negativity in your life. He's chilling. Minivan? Calm it down. Whoa, he's throwing mud. I'm just chilling. I'm relaxing right now, you know? He's just, oh, he's throwing mud. Okay, I need to get out of here. Whoa! I'm loving it. Even though he's throwing mud. Come on, minivan! Good job, minivan. It's always the minivans, man. Why did I just get the chills? Oh, what is this? This is not allowed. No, no. How about a big no? Dun, dun, dun. Come on. Oh, there we go. Come on. We got it. Dude, I'm a professional at this. Look at this. A little bit of brakes. Little bit of brakes. We're gonna go, oh. Dude, I could definitely walk on a tightrope across buildings in New York City. I'm a professional now. I'm doing it. I'm sending it. Look at this. You know what? Instead of walking across, I'm gonna take my bike and I'm gonna go across the tightrope. Good idea. I'd do it in a video game. Yo, what is up with people saying my vlogs look like a video game? All over TikTok, people are like, I thought this was a video game. How does this look like a video game? I'm sorry, but video games do not look this freaking real. I don't know, man. Are you guys sober? Adopt a road. I'm gonna adopt a road and call it Killicam Lane. Guys, I got a new camera. So hyped. That's why I'm going to take pictures and I gotta pee. Fucker knuckles! I always forget to pee. I swear my body knows when I'm on the bike. It's like, okay, now you're not gonna be able to pee, so we're gonna make you pee. Oh, shoot. How do I do this? Cam, it's as easy as just peeing before you leave, but no, I make it difficult. I'm always in a rush. I'm like, I wanna go ride, and I forget. Bum, 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 bum. Bam! Cam wants to go fast. I need a adrenaline. I'm gonna die.
They don't like it when I get too late, but fuck it. Niggas wanna talk shit, pull up then they start ducking. His bitch wanna pop me like a Snapple. House so big like a castle, house so big like a castle. Wow,